and again welcome. Today we are going to show you that amazing and unique crafting ideas, decor ideas and many more ideas. It's all about Xmas, it's all about festival season. So in this video we are sharing some amazing and unique designs for everyone who wants to create something for it this season. Hope you're enjoying very well and stay tuned with us. We are showing you amazing designs and unique ideas. So stay tuned with us, watch till the end. We are bringing for you amazing and unique designs and ideas. हमारे चैनल पे दिखाए जाते हैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ ऐसे डिज़ाइंस जो कि आप लोगों के लिए होते हैं बहुत अच्छे. And you can create them by getting ideas from this video. You can create very amazing designs and you can get very beautiful ideas. पुराने ही कुछ चीज़ों से, पुराने ही कुछ घर के हिस्सों से आप ले सकते हैं कुछ नई चीज़ों की बनावट, जैसे कि कुछ ओल्ड मैसन जार्स, कुछ ओल्ड वुडन पीस, और वुडन पीस के साथ आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं कुछ पेंट जो कि होता है हर घर में, because everybody cares, needs that and wants to love them and let them do what they want to do. So create something new and amazing with the old things, whatever you already have. Those things you can use, and you can use an amazing X-Mix craft. If you want to love very beautiful things and beautiful ornaments, if you want to create some ornaments like that, different type of things, because in one video we will show you decor ideas, ornaments ideas, beautiful crafting ideas, decor ideas, wall hanging ideas, stocking ideas, and fireplace ideas, felt ornaments. In one channel we showed you many more designs like this. So these are very amazing and unique designs and you enjoying very well. So table decor is very important. Table decor centerpiece is the master thing for our decoration. It's very important for our decoration. And these are very interesting and beautiful designs and ideas. So it's all about X-Max thing. It's all about good thing. And you can add cinnamon in your decor. Is very important, and pine cone is natural. Burlap is natural rustic craft. Those items are all are available on market, on Dollar Tree shop. You can create Dollar Tree shop as well. Most beautiful and amazing designs for who wants to create something for their home. So how you all feel these for this Xmas? Are you warm wishes for everyone? Are you excited for those decorations? These are very impressive and amazing. So what do you think about that? These crafty ornaments are useful because I love them. These ornaments are beautiful and easy to create, easy to make. If you want to watch ideas, if you want to create something, then tell me about it in the comment section. We will definitely try to upload what do you want to watch. We are celebrating the holiday season and festival, and we are regularly used to upload that because our viewers are very special for us. Our subscribers are very special for us and I really love them. So these ornaments, these creative collection, these creative art, you can, because you can create them ceramic as well. If you have mold, and somebody asked me about mold, where I got this, so you can order on You can order your mold on very many platforms. On many platforms, you can search them which type of mold do you want. If I send you, I really will send you if I can, because I love my viewers. I really want to send them. So tell me the details, tell me your opinion about that, which types of you, maybe I will send link. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for joining us. So have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Stay tuned with us. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, prosperity, and many more you have in life, you want in your life. So, God bless you all. Bless you for all things. Bless you for everyone who wants to make something unique and different. May your home fulfilled with crafting, fulfilled with love and happiness, fulfilled with gorgeous things. May you have what you want to have in your life. थैंक यू. स्टे ब्लेस. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. हमें भी अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा.